Hi there, I'm Peter Vox and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe so you can keep up with all of our videos. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing or your singing, we'd be honored to do that. Please check out the links below for more info. And let's get stuck into the next question. And the next question is, how many singing lessons do I need? Now, we received an email regarding this question here, and this, without any more information from the student, this is like saying how long is a piece of string? Okay, so I'm going to start here and try to explain this question as simply as I possibly can. It first and foremost depends on your level of current vocal singing skills at the moment. So it depends on how good or a bad singer you are. Let's say that you're an average singer. You might need to come in for more singing lessons than a good singer. You could also be singing a harder genre of singing. So you may be singing, for instance, maybe R&B or theatre or screaming, which takes a little bit more technique to do some of those genres there. It also depends on how well you want to sing as well too. So I've got students that are in punk bands that come in for 10 lessons that just want to sing in key and have longevity and stamina in their voice. And I've got students that have been with me for 3 or 4 years. It just depends on how far you want to push the envelope and how far you want to develop and take your voice. And it's really up to you. So I hope that answers the question. Again, as well too, this will also depend on the quality of singing lessons that you are receiving. If you have very good high quality singing lessons, you will gain a lot more in less than longer periods of time and more singing lessons with an average or a bad singing teacher or instructor, if that makes sense. All of our singing teachers here at Vox Singing Academy are highly trained professional singing teachers. I've taught professionals with major label recording contracts since 1993, so we're very experienced, very knowledgeable on giving you the results as quickly as we possibly can, and we guarantee singing results in just 3 weeks if you follow what the singing teacher tells you to do and their instructions. That's our money back guarantee to you. Doesn't matter whether you're a hobby singer or a professional singer, we will give you results in 3 weeks if you practice properly. I hope that answers your question. So again, just to summarize, it's really how far you want to develop and take your voice, what your natural skill level is already, how much you practice, and what genre of music you're doing. It really all just depends. To give you a rough ballpark, I recommend Vox Singing Academy here is a minimum of 10 lessons and anything up to 30 lessons to get a good grasp and some really good knowledge about how your voice works, so that you can also keep these skills and scales that we'll record for you and take them away and use them at a later date. So you'll never, they're like an investment basically. Skills and scales are recorded for you on piano. Scales are ma. We have them for lots of different skills, to sing up higher, sing lower, movements, runs, in and out of falsetto, whatever the skill is, breathing. So these are an investment, and these are recorded for you by all of our singing teachers here at Vox Singing Academy, so that you can practice and take these away and always have them in your for you to practice whenever you need it. Maybe you'll stop singing for a little while, you can always come back, get your voice back into shape. So these are recorded. These are very important for all of our singing students at Vox Singing Academy. Hope that answers your question. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I'll get to as many of them as I possibly can. Please enjoy your singing, be good to each other, Much love. See you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Bye for now.